my gosh, who do we have here today?
Oh, Stacy.
And
Amelia.
What are we doing, ladies?
Skydive.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers, huh?
It's the way
You
to do
trust me to throw you out?
it. Absolutely.
You trust him to throw you
I
out?
sure do.
You are crazy. Whose idea was this?
His.
So it's his fault if anything goes wrong and he's
Yeah.
not even jumping.
That's right. Yeah.
So last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday.
I just canceled my life insurance. Joke's on you, but I love you, kids.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it. Bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else.
right.
High five? High five? Let's go have some fun. Here we go. Here we go, ladies. You ready for this? Happy birthday. Stand right here, smile. Oh yeah, let's get in this thing. Woohoo. Here we go. Here we go. Get up and out of here. Birthday girl, what do you think?
We're flying, baby.
Yeah. Pull that right one down. Look at the camera, smile. Okay. And front, go left if you want to. Pull that thing down. Oh yeah. Gotta make the hair right. You excited, scared, nervous? Now that you're back on the ground, you want to go up again?
I'll go up again.
It's only $225 to go again today.
That's it.
That's it. Let's go again.
I did so good.
You did awesome. Come back, see us again.
Absolutely.
I'll let you open the parachute, okay?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta play with my balls. Woo! Gotta Colorado Springs.
Thank you.